Hello everyone, it's Tutor Nick. Welcome to lesson 24. In section 1, you will hear Kate buy a new wool coat. Listen carefully, pause the video, and then do exercise 1. All the exercises are linked in the description below.
Excuse me, how much is that coat?
It's 120 quid. Do you want to try it on?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thanks.
It suits you. You look great.
Thank you.
That's 100% pure wool from one of the top designers in Paris.
Oh, right. It's very nice, but it's a little expensive.
No, it's not. It's a bargain. The normal price for that in the shops is 300 quid.
Oh, okay, but maybe it's too big for me.
It fits you perfectly. Don't worry. Look, you can have it for 100. That's a special offer, only for you.
£100. Okay, I'll take it. Can I pay by credit card?
Sorry dear, cash only. Now do exercise 2 before you continue with the video. Now we're going to practice listening and understanding numbers. Listen to section 2, pause the video and do exercise 3.
£13, $40, €50, £16, €70, $18.
Now listen to section 3, pause the video and do exercise 4. The solutions will be in lesson 25.
All the t-shirts on this rack are £3.99. Those jeans are in the sale. They're $19.90. No, this jacket isn't in the sale, I'm afraid. It's €189. Is this shirt in the sale?
That shirt? Let me just find the price for you. Yes, it's $17.50.
Let me have a look. Yes, these shoes are £29.95. That black jumper, it's €19.
I hope you found the lesson helpful. Links to solutions for the exercises are in the description in the next lesson. Keep practicing. If you like these lessons, please leave a like and a comment. See you in lesson 25. Bye for now.